Welcome to this English listening practice story. Today's episode is tasty, surprising, and full of history. We will explore the history of fried chicken, a simple food that traveled across cultures, continents, and centuries. You will hear easy, clear English, perfect for improving your listening and fluency. This story will teach you new vocabulary, cultural history, and how one dish became loved all over the world. Now, let's begin.
Fried chicken looks simple. Chicken, oil, fire. But its story is very old. Long before restaurants existed, people cooked meat over fire. In ancient times, people learned something important. Frying makes food last longer and taste better. In ancient Egypt, Rome, and China, people fried meat in animal fat or oil. They did not call it fried chicken yet, but the idea was already alive.
The next chapter begins in West Africa. African cooks were masters of frying food in oil. They used spices. They cooked chicken slowly and carefully. Fried chicken was not just food, it was culture, celebration, and family tradition. This African cooking knowledge would later travel across the ocean and change food history forever.
At the same time, something different was happening in Scotland. Scottish people fried chicken too, but they used less spice. They fried chicken in fat until it became crispy and brown. This style focused on texture, not flavor. Two worlds were preparing the same food, without knowing it. In the 1700s and 1800s, Africa and Europe met in America. Enslaved Africans were brought to the southern United States. They carried their cooking skills with them. African seasoning met Scottish frying methods, and something magical happened. Southern fried chicken was born. Spiced, crispy, juicy. For many enslaved people, fried chicken became one of the few foods they could sell. It helped them earn small amounts of money. It helped them survive. After slavery ended, fried chicken became a symbol of Southern home cooking. Families cooked it on Sundays. Mothers passed recipes to daughters. Each family added their own secret spice. Fried chicken became food for love, comfort, and celebration. It was no longer just food, it was memory. In the 20th century, fried chicken changed again. Restaurants appeared. Fast food was born. One man, Colonel Sanders, made fried chicken famous worldwide. Kentucky Fried Chicken spread to Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Different countries created their own versions. Korean fried chicken, Japanese karaage, Southern spicy fried chicken. One dish, many cultures. Why do people love fried chicken so much? Because it is crispy outside, soft inside, simple but powerful. It connects people. It crosses borders. It tells a story of struggle, creativity, and culture. From ancient fires to modern kitchens, fried chicken became a global legend.
Thank you for listening to this English learning story. Today, you learned food history, cultural vocabulary, clear, natural English, and how simple food can shape the world. Keep listening, keep practicing, and remember, even simple things can have great stories.